Hi, welcome to another Shell Sensations video. Today I'm doing another Temu haul unboxing. I received these products in exchange for my honest review, and I have an exclusive code for you to use if you would like to purchase these items or other items on their website. The exclusive code is FAV55523. That's FAV 55523, and I will link a copy of the code and also the website in the description box below. And I will also be putting the prices on the screen as I go, and the prices will also be in the description box below. Let's start with the first thing I received. The first thing came in this box here. It's a 32-ounce motivational time marked bottle, it says. And it's basically a water bottle. It feels like hard plastic kind of feel to it. And this is going to be for my son. So it's a black kind of, I think it's an ombre color they have. But it's one of those, they have it all marked. But I know they have some other ones that are wider. But he wanted a smaller, skinnier type of one. So I found this one and I thought it was really cool. So it says 8 a.m. get started, 9 a.m. remember your goal, 10 a.m. keep chugging, 11 a.m. don't give up, 12 p.m. almost there, 1 p.m. you did it, and then it says refill at the bottom. It's very cute. It has this little thing right here where you could hold on to it so you don't lose it. And then if you open this right here, see how that opens you. That's a button right there where you can push it. And then it pops up at the top. And that opens, and then you can drink out of it right there. And then it just kind of pushes back down like that and locks right back up for you. It's very nice. I absolutely love that. And we will definitely be using that. The next item I got were these little cord organizers. These are to put on your appliances, like your maybe your kitchen mixer or your toaster, and your cord wraps around there and then it sticks to the back. It has this 3M tape right here, if you could see, and the 3M tape goes on the back of this part. It sticks to it, and then you can wrap it around and secure it right here. So that's a very good buy. I'm excited to use those. It comes in a 3-pack, and there's all different colors. There's white, black, and gray. So I really love that. The next item were these tile stickers, and I just absolutely love these blue colors. They're like oceany looking colors, and they're basically, let me get some scissors to, oh, actually I ripped it right open here. They're basically stickers, and they kind of have like a film like on top of it, and they would stick off if you had maybe some tiles already like in your bathroom and you wanted to put these over the tiles. That would look very beautiful. Here's the backing. It peels right off and you can stick it on there. But these are gorgeous. I know they have different designs on their website as well, but I couldn't pass it up. I seen the colors on it and I absolutely love this. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it for a tile. I might use it as some kind of crafty thing as well, or I might actually make coasters out of it, something like that. These are gorgeous. The next item I have is this like a pencil case. It says bag, maple leaf on it. It's got a really pretty different pink, purple, blue colors on it with leaves, and it's kind of a really thick canvasy material, so it's not flimsy or anything like that. You open it up here, and it's got, get this so you can see it, it's got all these pouches where you can put different pens, markers, any kind of maybe paint brushes, something like that in there. And then Down here is just all open except this middle part that's sewn. You can see it is very thick, good material. I really like that. And then it just kind of folds back up for storage. It wraps around. You got this string to wrap it around and secure it tight. So that's gorgeous. I'm very happy with that. And lastly, I got this Craft Buddy machine. Here's what the Craft Buddy looks like. I tested this out already. Let me show you what I have on that. Here was what the die that I used looks like after it's all cut out, but I'm going to show you one right now on the screen so you can see how it works as well. What I did, I also purchased this die from Temu, or got this in the kit, and it came with 3 pieces here. You got this, the heart, the sun or circle, and a star. And I just used the star one. I showed you that one, and I'm going to do, let's try the heart one. And we'll do that with our little Craft Buddy right now. So what I'm going to do is cut one of these down to size. This is just some cardstock, some purple cardstock. And I'm going to cut that down. And then you take your glass that has the A on it. And you put that down. And then you put your purple paper down there. And I'm going to put the die on the top of it. And then we are going to put the B glass on it. And then I'm going to stick it in the machine like this. And then we're just going to kind of let the machine push it through. Turn the knob on it. And it's not very tough to get through the machine. I've never used one of these, but I really wanted it for crafting because I thought it was really neat. They have a lot of neat dies on their website. So I'm going to open that up. And then there's what the heart one looks like. So that works very well. And I am excited to get more of their dies. They have all kinds of dies on their website that look very neat. I've seen a lot of other people reviewing Temu that have gotten the dies. And I thought that would be neat to get the machine and actually some dies to try out. So that is my haul today. And once again, if you check the description box below, you will see my exclusive code, which gives you 30% off. And that's FAVE, F-A-V 55523. And the Temu link will be below also, along with the prices. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate that. And thanks and have a great day. Thank you.